Your weather avoided the area this evening as we saw that track further to our north and south. In between, we had some blustery winds as well as some downpours. Now looking at light to steady rain exiting in the state line, so drying out from west to east here. You can see the more intense activity off to our northeast as well as just due south of us as of right now. So we'll continue to be on this trend throughout the next hour or so. That light to steady rainfall now exiting Rockford, Byron, Rochelle, even the eastern portions of Lee County likely to see drier conditions by the time it gets to about 10:30 to 11 o'clock. Some decent rain totals, about 1/3 of an inch to up to 1/2 an inch, depending on how many downpours tracked through your area. Saw nearly an inch of rainfall from Monroe and Freeport. Galena, 2.5 inches of rain, as there was some flash flooding earlier this afternoon in Joe Daviess County. We shouldn't see the rain totals rise too much as we go throughout the next hour or so as the rain slowly starts to move on out. Maybe a stray shower or two that sneaks in behind this squall line, but for the most part we're looking fairly dry and definitely sunny as we head into early Friday. So for the rest of the night, those strong storms are leaving. We're drying out throughout the remainder of the night. 68 coming for the overnight low. Winds do get just a little breezy out of the northwest up to about 15 miles per hour. We have cooler air working in behind this weather system, so we'll notice a slight drop in temperature and a big drop in humidity. I think that'll be the biggest difference that we'll feel going into the next couple days. Still a little humid out there, but definitely a lot closer towards comfortable values. You can see on radar a few of those lingering showers still popping up, and again, once this cold front rolls on by, we should have dry and looking at comfortable conditions going into Friday. 87 for the high temperature, still near average for this time of year, and still slightly humid out there, but we'll notice a difference. Winds remain breezy up to about 20 miles per hour with the wind gusts. So here's a dew point trend. Today we were well within the uncomfortable range, dropping down to more of that humid range. So again, you'll still feel some humidity, but that 10-degree difference or nearly that in the dew point temperature will make a very large difference in the feels-like conditions over the next couple days. We have another cold front that works in between Saturday and Sunday that will drop us down to almost the comfortable range of humidity. So big differences coming over the next couple days, even though the humidity sticks around just enough going into the weekend. Weekend itself still near average on Saturday with a chance for some evening rainfall, and Sunday looking sunny with temperatures dropping slightly below average into the mid to low 80s as we wrap up the weekend itself. When it comes to that Saturday rainfall, you can see some models bringing in just a little rainfall in the afternoon, but a lot of that does avoid the state line. That is until we get to Saturday evening and Saturday night. That's when we do have some spotty rain showers. As you can see, a lot of this activity looking fairly light, so we really don't get much for rain into Saturday night. And then late Saturday night, we dry out. By Sunday, we're looking sunny and dry for the remainder of the weekend. So be aware of a couple stray showers into the mid part of the weekend before things dry out after that. Temperature-wise, after we drop to near average this weekend, we stay there for Monday. Then we'll have to keep an eye on a potential second heat wave into next week. Temperatures right back in the 90s, humidity on the rise. That could send us to near 100 with the heat index. That may last a while past Thursday, so something to monitor into next week. James and Kristen.
All right, Alex, thanks.